all of you. Now we are going to read about petroleum. In this chapter, coal is completed. Next is petroleum. So, first of all, what is petroleum? The petroleum or crude oil is a naturally occurring dark colored thick oily liquid which is a complex mixture of various hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. And other liquid organic compounds such as paraffin wax. Petroleum is lighter than water and is immiscible in water. That means it does not mixes with water. And it is found deep under the earth between the layers of impervious rock. It is also called black gold due to its great economic importance. Formation of petroleum. How petroleum was formed. Same as coal, petroleum was formed by the bu- when the dead and decaying organism buried deep inside the earth, then slowly, in the absence of oxygen, it get converted into petroleum. When a fossil fuel, this petroleum is a fossil fuel which is formed from dead organisms in the sea such as phytoplankton, zooplankton and algae. So the difference between the coal formation of coal and petroleum is that coal can be formed when it is buried deep inside the earth surface, land surface, but petroleum is formed when it is the dead organism is buried deep inside the sea. Phytoplankton means the microscopic plants, and zooplanktons are the microscopic animals which is present inside the sea. A vast quantity of dead remains of marine animals and plants settled at the bottom of the sea and get covered with sediments. And due to intense heat and pressure in the lower regions, more layers settled over the seabed and the organic matter liquefied and seeped down until it reached a bed of impervious rock. In this way, slowly this dead organism get converted into petroleum. It also takes million of years to form. This petroleum is obtained by drilling oil wells into the earth's crust. So oil wells is found in between the sea and the plants are made there, and by drilling oil wells the oil is taken out. In India, oil wells are found in the state of Assam and Gujarat, offshore of Mumbai, and deltas of Godavari and Kaveri. Refining of petroleum. When we take out petroleum or crude oil from oil well, then it is a mixture of about 200 hydrocarbons. It contains some useful substance such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax, lubricating oil, etc. So we have to separate it, and this process is known as refining of petroleum, and it is done by the process known as fractional distillation. A special device is there, the fractionating column, in which the crude oil is put and at different temperature it gets separated because the boiling point of the substance, all the substance are different. So at different temperature it gets separated. So fractional distillation is the process of separating various constituents of petroleum at different temperature. The fractional distillation of petroleum is done in a tall fractionating column in a petroleum refinery, and crude oil is heated to above 350 degrees Celsius. The oil vapor rises in the distillation tower and cool down. There are a series of shallow trays in which these vapor get condensed to become liquid. The fraction which has higher boiling point condenses near base. You can see in this fractionating column where the temperature, the subject or the substance which have more boiling point, it can settle at the base of the column, and the substance which have low boiling point, it moves to the top. The gas which goes out of the column is known as petroleum gas. The various fractions obtained by refining of petroleum and their uses are here in given. The gas, refinery gas or petroleum gas, it gets separated at 50 degrees Celsius. Then gasoline or petrol 120 degrees Celsius, and the temperature increases as we go down. Naphtha, kerosene, diesel oil, lubricating oil, fuel oil, all this. The petroleum products from this fractional distillation we get are, and their uses is given in this table. Petroleum gas in liquid form, that is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which is filled in cylinder and used at our homes, in industry, in vehicles also. Nowadays in our home there is LPG cylinder and it is a good substitute of coal. Petrol used in motor and aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. Kerosene, fuel for stoves, lamps, for jet aircraft. Diesel, for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Then lubricating oil for lubrication. Paraffin wax in ointment, candles, Vaseline. Bitumen is used for making paints and road surfacing. Previously, road surfacing was done by coal tar, but now it is substituted by bitumen. So these are the uses of petroleum products.